Days after the income tax department swooped down on Sonu Sood and his business associates, the Bollywood actor came out with a reaction here on Monday devoid of any reference to the action against him. You don't always have to tell your side of the story, time will, he said, starting philosophically and ending poetically with a dash of patriotism. In a tangential reference to the Sood Charity Foundation being targeted by the IT department, he declared, "Every rupee in my foundation is awaiting its turn to save a precious life and reach the needy." In addition, on many occasions, I have encouraged brands to donate my endorsement fees for humanitarian causes too, which keeps us going. Explaining his silence over the past days as IT sleuths conducted searches in at least 28 premises belonging to Sood and his business associates all over India, sniffing for evidence of tax evasion, the actor said, "I have been busy attending to a few guests, hence was unable to be at your service for the last 4 years. Here I am back again in all humility at your humble service for life." Giving a poetic twist to his predicament, he added, "Kar bhala, ho bhala, ant bhale ka bhala. My journey continues. Jai Hind." Sood's reaction came after the IT department pointed the needle of suspicion without naming him at alleged tax evasion of around rupees 20 crore by him and other questionable deals with his business partners pegged at another rupees 240 crore. In an unusual official statement, the department's list of questionable actions on the part of the actor mentioned unutilized funds in the Sood Charity Foundation, fake contracts and circular transactions with his business partner companies, diversion of funds through bogus accommodation entries to evade taxes and rerouting them back for making financial investments or buying property. Sood shot into limelight last year for arranging free flights or luxury buses for stranded migrants during the lockdown due to COVID-19 pandemic and sent them to different parts of India, besides organizing liquid medical oxygen supplies to various hospitals during the second COVID wave this year. Recently, Delhi government had declared actor Sonu Sood as the brand ambassador for Desh Ka Mentor program for school students. There were some speculations regarding Sonu Sood joining Aam Aadmi Party. However, Sonu clarified that he is not joining the party. INS report.